Number 5, the inventory report at Jacob's Office Supplies shows that there are 150 packages of pencils and 120 packages of markers. If the store sells 7 packages of pencils each day and 5 packages of markers each day, write and solve an inequality to find how many days the number of packages of pencils will be fewer than the number of packages of markers. Okay, so I'm going to start with the question and underline what they want. They want the pencils to be fewer than the markers. So I go back and I find the information on pencils. It says they have 150 packages right now, but they're selling 7 packages each day. So 150 we're starting with. If they are selling them, then those are being taken out of their inventory. So I need to subtract 7. And it said each day, I don't know how many days, so we use a variable. So they want the pencils to be fewer than, so that's less than, markers. They start with 120 packages, and they are selling 5 packages each day. So minus 5x. I'm going to write that in my journal on the next page, so I have room to solve. So my variables on both sides. Remember, the sign that's in front of it applies to it. So I have like a -7 over here and a -5 over here. -7 is smaller, so plus 7x on both sides of the inequality. Cancel it from here. So I only have 150 is less than 120. If I do 7 minus 5, I get a positive 2x. So here's my variable. I do not want the 120 beside it, so minus 120. Cancel. Here's 30 is less than 2x. So divide by 2. I get x. Nope, I don't. I get 15 is less than x. Remember, it makes better sense to write the variable in the front. So I'm going to switch it around. X is greater than 15. Remember, x stood for the number of days. So I will answer x is greater than 15, but it's a word problem, so more than 15 days. The last one says, bamboo plant A is 1.2 meters tall and is growing at a rate of 45 hundredths meter per day. Bamboo plant B is 85 hundredths meter tall and is growing at 5/10 of a meter per day. After how many days will plant A be plant B be taller than plant A? I underlined what the question was about. So they want plant B taller than, that's going to be greater than, plant A. So if I go back and I look for the information on plant B, said 85 hundredths meter tall, it's growing at 0.5 meters per day. I put my symbol for taller than or greater than. Plant A was 1.2 and it was growing at 45 hundredths meter per day. For this last one, since I've already wrote the inequality for you, I need you to solve it, bring it to me so I can check your final answer on this one.